Make a great choice today with 2017 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.